and shit. Like, the streets ain't a joke anymore. Like how my heart frozen and shit. Like shit in pieces, broken and shit. Like, but don't nobody notice this shit. Like, how the fuck I stay focused and shit. Like, when they did me the coldest shit. And in the day, I don't think about my niggas. I don't know what to do, I might bug out. But I can't give a thought in my heart. I know all of these bitches is fucked out. No, I ain't tryna look for relations. If you come to my crib, you get slut out. Be confused when they tell me I'm famous. I'm still in that pot tryna rob you and bust down.
Damn, if he's backing out, he's professional, nigga.
No, it's not about that. It's not about the fucking...
Let's do it.
Everyone throw your seatbelts on.
No seatbelt challenge.
No, put your seatbelt on.
No, I got it on. Yeah. Whoa. Yeah. Whoa. Already, nigga?
Whoa, fuck, bro. Damn it. Whoa, come on, boys.
Oh, he's trying to... He went alright. Bad, too. Nigga really thought he was gonna get up on us.
He thought he was smart.
He's coming, too. I think you should leave your car there. Huh? You said they're in it?
Yeah.
But they chilling like you're not a part of it type shit. You're just sitting there. You think so? That's what I would do.
That's what
Hey, should I call them now or let them know? Or they probably already know what's going on.
I think that's crazy. These niggas just try to do us like that.
Hold on, let me call them real quick.
Yeah, they're after us. Yo, I should go get my car. I'm gonna jump and get my car real quick.
Alright, brother.
No?
Yeah, the cops came. I think just sit there and chill though. Yeah, they after us though. Alright, man, yeah, just chill there. Y'all in the box car, right?
We juked them out. They're on us?
Hey, they're on us though. They're right behind us. Alright. Hey, should I go live or no?
No,
Just got recorded or not?
no, go live. Alright, take it slow. You got it. Just get us out of here.
Oh yeah.
Heavy traffic. Take it slow. Take it slow.
Damn.
I'm already lost.
Damn.
Yeah, do not rush it. Don't rush it. Yeah, license, please go chill. License, please, bro. We gotta make sure we just get out of here clean. You're good. You gotta take it slow. You got it. Take it slow. Take it slow here. Alright, you're good. Please, bro. Please. I'm telling you, we're already good. We're lost.
Hey, yeah, there's a Jeep. I don't know who it is though. Probably the Lito. nigga quit. Hey. Bro,
yo, license, I need you to move very smart. It's bumper traffic right now. Yeah, don't crash out. Do not crash out.
nigga fucking fun.
See, I know, nigga.
That nigga wanna fuck with that.
Yo, come on, watch your car. Try to get it to the right. Take it slow. Very slow. Should we exit here? What do you think? No? Alright.
Is they even? I don't even think they're nowhere near us, right? Or are they still on our ass?
They're not. There's no way they're still on the radio. I know they're on the radio about it.
And we got a radio.
Yeah, we gotta have someone. We gotta park up and have someone come scoop. I think.
That's insane.
I'm saying we should park up for like get this shit like low key, like I don't know. I just know they're gonna be on the radio type shit. That's all it is. We're
Whatever.
Gucci, we're Gucci now. We definitely lost him.
Shit, that was fun. They should have been doing more.
Don't worry about the Gucci. Don't worry about that. Yeah, we gotta go. Yo, license. License don't get us close. Take it slow.
Yo, this nigga probably don't know how to drive. Oh, he don't even got no plate.
Oh, so you know,
Oh, he's got no plate.
Biker.
Get this over, get this over, get this over. Yo, what do you think? Should we get on the take it slow here, take it slow here. Slow,
Niggas on
slow,
bikes.
slow.
Nigga, look at them niggas dancing on the bike, nigga.
Yeah.
It's like ozone.
Hey, this nigga juked the fuck out that
Yeah, I know, nigga.
What was he thinking? His dumb ass trying to cut us off at the Home Depot.
Goofy ass nigga.
Ooh, look at this dumb ass.
Hey, hey.
Boy, what?
Hey.
This nigga's getting sturdy on a bike.
The cops, you guys were eating donuts, bro.
Yo. Hell yeah. Nigga said I know all y'all.
I'm not a fucking idiot. Obviously, they were protecting me, bro. What are you talking about? I'm a fucking tourist, bro. Fuck. It's fine. We're good. We've all young brothers getting bumped out, bro. Show license.
Hey.
He need to get the fuck out the way.
Okay. Okay.
He's tough. Hopefully his ass know what he's doing.
Slow.
Inbox gonna have a heart attack.
Me too. Me and Inbox. Nigga, me and Inbox gonna have a heart attack. Nigga, oh God.
This nigga's jaw's locking up. You said what? start, we definitely got our little
That
viral.
run was
That's a
perfect.
hell of
Yo,
a
Legends,
start,
that's it
nigga.
though. I'm dead ass. That's it. The run is done.
We got a viral clip though.
Shake and bake that nigga.
Fuck, I was
Hey, that was a viral clip off the
That was
start.
an insane clip. That was a video right there, bro.
Like we sitting there chilling, we
that
got
was
pulled
a
up
full
on lag.
video right there, bro.
Yeah, that's the video.
Him juking out the cop like that, then getting on the highway, bro. That was it.
That nigga thought he was
He
smart
was
to jump
fucking bugging, bro. You jumped. That was crazy.
Yeah, that was good.
That was tough.
Alright, yo, let's. I was gonna say, should we go back to?
We gotta turn the fuck up tonight off that shit.
Damn, I wish the chase was a little longer, bro.
Somebody's fucking name is License.
We wish it was a little longer, right?
T.Y.'s nigga name is License, bro.
They even know this nigga got it.
Yo, Loki, pull off right here.
That shit was team, bro.
Bro, it ended up being better than I thought.
Yo, you saw that we gotta do a chase.
Nigga, my heart was racing, bro.
Yo, can you